Hello lovely viewers and welcome to Learning with JGO. Today in this video, we shall be answering likely WASSCE examination questions and answers on the African poem, An African Thunderstorm by David Rubadiri. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as well. Let's begin. Question 1. The poem An African Thunderstorm is symbolic of A. Poverty in Africa, B. Colonization in Africa, C. Corruption in Africa, D. Religion in Africa. The answer to this question is B. The poem An African Thunderstorm is symbolic of colonization in Africa. Question 2. Clouds come hurrying with the wind exemplifies the literary term A. Metaphor, B. Alliteration, C. Personification, D. Synecdoche. The correct answer to this question is C. Clouds come hurrying with the wind exemplifies the literary term personification. Question 3. How many lines has the poem? A. 20 lines, B. 25 lines, C. 30 lines, D. 35 lines. The answer to this question is C. The poem has 30 lines. Question 4. From the west. West in the first line is A. Metonymy, B. Synecdoche, C. Pun, D. Allegory. The correct answer to this question is A. West in the first line is a metonymy. Question 5. The poem is written in A. Free verse, B. Blank verse, C. Rhymed verse, D. Metered verse. The correct answer to this question is A. The poem is written in free verse. Question 6. Like a plague of locusts. This line exemplifies A. Metaphor, B. Simile, C. Synecdoche, D. Pun. The answer to this question is B. Like a plague of locusts exemplifies the literary term simile. Question 7. All the following are themes in the poem An African Thunderstorm, except A. The theme of colonization, B. The theme of man versus nature, C. Vulnerability of women, D. The theme of poverty. The answer to this question is D. All the following are themes in the poem An African Thunderstorm, except the theme of poverty. Question 8. Pregnant clouds in line 9 exemplifies A. Metaphor, B. Metonymy, C. Personification, D. Oxymoron. The answer to this question is C. Pregnant clouds in line 9 exemplifies the literary term personification. Question 9. Here and there, like a plague of locusts. The extract above displays an image of A. Adaptation to a new environment, B. An impending destruction, C. Exploration, D. Servitude. The answer to this question is B. The extract above displays an image of an impending destruction. Question 10. And trees bend to let it pass. Trees here are symbolic of A. Colonialists, B. Africans, C. Helpless victims, D. African culture. The answer to this question is C. And trees bend to let it pass are symbolic of the helpless victims. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel as well.